AMI Organics, that's another company which is in focus as the overhang from the stake sale by the Chovatia family is finally over. The company is also now trying to enter into a niche areas of growth as well, signing agreements with other players. Let me take it across to Srishti and find out what exactly the story is currently, Srishti, with AMI Organics.
Well, yes, AMI Organics is in focus as the major overhang is seen to be gone for the company, as Chovatia family has finally sold a majority of their stakes in the company. They have sold around 12.5% stake at a price of 1,030 rupees, but they still continue to hold around 5% stake in the company. But the key to note is that in the list of the buyers, you will see marquee names from the likes of BOFA Securities, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley. They all seem to be entering, wherein Valuequest Investment and Morgan Stanley Asia has bought around 2% stake in the company, and BOFA Securities Europe, ICICI Prudential, Malabar India Fund has bought around 1% stake in the company. So that's the big announcement coming in from AMI Organics. But the big question is that what is making all these marquee names bullish on the company itself? So let's try and find an answer to that. There have been slew of announcements made by the company in the recent times as the company is trying to enter into the niche areas of growth, and I would like to highlight three of them. Just yesterday, the company announced their foray into the battery cell electrolytes, where the company has signed an MOU with a global manufacturer of electrolytes for manufacturing them for battery cells and allied materials. The company will be investing 300 crores to set up a new plant in Gujarat for that. Another recent announcement made by the company is that they are planning to upping their game with Fermion, which is a Finland-based company. Just in September, they said that AMI Organics and Fermion have another multi-year, multi-ton, multi-million-dollar agreement for additional advanced pharmaceutical intermediate. They have entered into an agreement to manufacture 2 advanced pharmaceutical intermediate products as well, and this is what going to be reflecting in the numbers in some time from now, because the supply of one of the intermediates will happen this fiscal, while the other 2 intermediates will go for validation batches in Q4, and the commercial supply will start from the second half of FY25. Other than that, their entry into the semiconductor industry. They have acquired 55% stake in Baba Fine Chemicals. That's a custom specialty manufacturer for semiconductor industry. So we'll see that AMI Organics is trying to upping their game by entering into the niche areas of growth, while the analysts believe that the second half of this fiscal onto the financial front could be better as compared to the first half as well.
Thanks very much, Shrishti, for highlighting those details.